This is how to use your SG Culture Pass. Want to try your hand at something new? How about a fun-filled weekend on a guided heritage trail? You can even attend an unforgettable performance. And now use your SG Culture Pass credits on Singlit books too. Singaporeans will receive $100 of SG Culture Pass credits to spend on local arts and heritage offerings. All you need to do is set up your SG Culture Pass profile once. First, visit the SG Culture Pass website. Beware of scams. Always check the URL to make sure you're visiting the official website. Before you click on any SMS, check the sender ID. Only trust messages from gov.sg. On the SG Culture Pass website, tap Login. You'll need to log into your profile using SingPass. To complete your profile, check your details and answer a quick survey. You will be automatically signed up to receive the latest updates and perks from Catch, the official SG Culture Pass marketing partner. Tap Complete Profile, and you're all set. Now, you're ready to explore and pay with your SG Culture Pass. Tap Events to find out what you can use your SG Culture Pass credits for. A wide variety of local arts and heritage offerings are available, including performances, heritage experiences, workshops, and more. Select the event you're interested in and tap Get Tickets to be brought to the authorized ticketing partner's website. Here, pick your preferred details like date and time, seat category, seat selection, and ticket type, then tap Add to Cart. At the payment section, select SG Culture Pass to use it for your tickets, then tap Proceed to Pay. The ticket purchase will use all available SG Culture Pass credits in your balance. If you don't have enough to cover the full ticket price, you can top up the remaining amount using credit card or Pay Now. Once done, tap Pay, and your event booking is complete. Beyond events, SG Culture Pass can now be used for Singlit books. Start exploring by visiting the SG Culture Pass website. Scroll down and tap View Participating Bookstores. Here, you can search by store name or location to find participating bookstores near you. Browse the list and tap on the store listings for more details. Once you've found your preferred participating bookstore, head on down to explore their selection of SG Culture Pass eligible books. You can approach staff in-store to find out more or look out for the SG Culture Pass label. Once you've chosen your books, head to the cashier, tap Pay in Store, answer a quick survey, and enter the amount of SG Culture Pass credits you'd like to use. Tap Pay to generate a QR code. Have the cashier scan it, and you're done. It's that easy. With these simple steps, you're now ready to enjoy local arts and heritage with SG Culture Pass. Your pass to new experiences.